Tuesday, May 16th. Puppies are 5 weeks and a few days old. Today is Tuesday, and they're having some fun. So who have we got here? Hard to tell. Their fur is obviously getting a little bit longer. That is Indy looking at herself in the mirror. Okay. And Robin. No, that's not Robin. That is Peggy. Peggy there looking inside the box. This is Ricky. He has no collar, but usually he's black. Hello. Hi, Peggy. Whoops. There goes that mirror. I wondered about it. Okay, stick that on the other side. So it's a bit safer over on the other side. Let's see. Oh, there's Robin. Hi, Robin. And maybe Stitch at the back there, I think. Hi. Well, who's got what to say? Willow? Willow's barking. Back right. We even have a balloon, which nobody even bothers to respond to. Okay? They're not afraid of balloons, which most dogs are, but no, my puppies are just curious. Who's trying to escape at the back? Hey? Puppies. Hi, Piggy. What do you figure? Hey? More balloons? You tell that balloon. Let's see. What we got down here? All kinds of adventures going on. We've got some high chew sticks. Yeah. Hi. Good old times. Oops. Somebody's trying to have a poop. Oh dear. Oh, we had a pee. Oh well. So we'll clean that up here shortly. When you expand the pen area, the accuracy for potty goes a little bit down, but we need to balance that with that and some room to have some action, run and play. Hello, baby cakes. Hello, it's Captain on the left there. Yes, indeed. Yes. Hello, climbing on the box. Robin back left. Let's see. This is Indy here. Hi, Indy. Hello, sweetheart. Hello. Yes. Good times. There it goes. Peggy, hey? Peggy, you definitely got something you want to say.